Hey, girl. He's like, where's my human? So good. Special delivery. Emrata's collection with Mirror Palace. I think I totally said that wrong. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. Are you not freaking out? These are the boy shorts they come with. They're so cute. I'm worried they're gonna be a little too big, but maybe it'll work.
It doesn't really sit at the waist, it sits at the hips.
They're so cool. It's a new day today. It's 11:20. I am on my way to a hot Pilates class. See you guys there.
So we're having a quick dinner because we're gonna go watch the Barbie movie after this. As you can tell, I'm a little excited for the movie, as you can tell from my shorts. I am
We successfully snuck everything in here. Popcorn, Smart Sweets. I even had a drink in here. This is my Mary Poppins bag. It fit literally everything.
Yes, Barbie changed everything.
Happy birthday.
Your house is under construction. The dog fight all day.
Coming with the cake. Oh my god.
Lose if I told you so.
This looks insane.
Happy birthday, dear
Guys, the Warner Brothers logo is pink for Barbie. It's so cute. I'm on my way to go get my nails done. I also used the Refi brow gel, and I'm not sure how I feel. How do we feel about this carpet? I kind of love it. Also, how major is this coffee table?
Love this carpet. Can you go see if 8 by 11 would work?
The voice memos to dad. This is really cool too.
Accessories.
Yeah, perfect for bathroom, and then the lid can come off too.
Lid on that darker one right here.
I think they're all the same. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed
Doggy
with
treat?
this.
Cookie treat. What else?
This is so cool.
Kind of fun.
They have the coolest art here.
Apparently this one. No, I don't. Okay, we'll try that. Okay, yeah.
was the oat milk latte.
It's been good. I've been in here. Yeah, it's been crazy. All right. Yeah, it's really
These look insane. Oh my gosh. The coffee's also really good. Yeah, go ahead. Community Goods is 10 out of 10.
so good.
The hype.
Howdy toddy.
Lincoln loved the Community Goods sauces so much that he wanted to take them home.
Thank you so much.
We love the sliders so much this morning that we're gonna make more sliders for dinner, but we're gonna make burgers. I'm so excited. First thing we got, cucumbers. We got all sorts of tomatoes, cheddar cheese, heirloom tomatoes, some greens for salad, an avocado, eggs,
Lettuce.
and of course burger meat. The star of the show, Hawaiian rolls. I think these are the exact ones they use.
Let's butter these
Right?
out, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, final product. We crushed it. These look so good. Oh my gosh. I mean, stunning. Please ignore the scratch on my face. I was washing my face with an exfoliator way too hard. Learn your lesson from me, people. Anyways, I just finished editing this vlog, so I thought I'd hop on here and make a little outro for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. You guys know how much I love you, and I'll see you next week. Go, chef, go.
Where's the...
Lincoln does some vlog, show them the hair.